Hold on.
Nay.
What?
I'm bored of the SVR. It's got to go different. I'm not bored of the SVR, I'm bored of the colour. It's not going to be as good as the green, I know that, but it's got to be a different colour.
Okay. So what's on the cards?
There's 3 options.
What's the 3 options?
Unicorn is midnight purple, or is midnight gold.
Okay.
Purple is cool. Problem is, look at all these. It's been done. I don't just want something the same as everyone else. So I think that rules purple out.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah, but imagine that as an SVR.
I don't want that much attention. I've just got this feeling with this browny gold colour.
Good afternoon, Inozetek. Can I help you?
I just wondered if you had the metallic midnight gold in stock.
Yes, I think we do actually.
No messing.
No.
No messing. Let's just do this. Is it here? Let's see how much of a mistake I've made.
That is quite cool.
You've got to have faith in me, Nate. Fast forward 3 months, we've been manic busy. I couldn't really take the car off the road. The SVR is the only thing we've got to tow the trailer, then we're collecting cars all the time with the trailer. So we've bought the Discovery last week to relieve the SVR, and we decided we're going to wrap it over Christmas and we're going to reveal it at the Autosport 2023 show, where we've got a nice big stand. I didn't want to just do a normal colour. I'm trying to think of how I can push the boundaries. This is what I've come up with. This is brand new to the market. This is a PPF in forged carbon look. I think it'll work really well with the colour we've gone for. There's nothing more to say. Let's get the car prepped. Let's break my heart and get the green wrap off.
Should we try that video? Get the air nozzle.
Oh, yeah, it's a good idea.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Oh man, that was ace. That's quite cool. Alright, let's stop messing around now. Okay, clean that is underneath. That's why we machine polish before we wrap and PPF. And that, Nathan, is an unwrap.
The big question is, do you actually know what it is? Have you managed to find out?
No.
What?
Okay.
Okay, that's better.
That was a disappointment. Wasn't it? That was. It was. That was
No place on that.
no way you're driving around with a big yellow car.
That's bold, isn't it?
It's bold.
Almost there?
Yeah, probably 3/4 of a day left on it. We've got a day and a quarter until the show.
How's it looking?
I think it's all done. Just got to put some things back together. I'm scared to look.
What do you think?
Amazing. I forgot to order new centre caps though. I could wrap the old centre caps. I don't reckon it's going to fit, but I'm going to try. That is tight, isn't it?
We'll see you at the show.
See you at the show. made it. We are at Autosport 2023 in Birmingham at the NEC Centre, and I finished the wrap on the SVR. It is getting a lot of attention. It's come out really, really nice. So, as you've all seen, we've got the Midnight Gold Inozetek wrap on the colour change, the STEK forged aluminium PPF on the bonnet and certain accents. Wheels we had done, so originally these wheels had strong gold tint in the lacquer, which they've still got, but we haven't put as much gold tint in it. Also on the stand, we've got this beautiful 296 that we've had in recently for front end PPF. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.
Don't try, you're disappearing. No, I won't stand for that. One chance is all